Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix YouTube playlist watch later not showing. So far what you have to do is open up your YouTube and choose any video that you would like. And after choosing the video, you have to scroll right side. And you will find a save option. Tap on save. And here you have saved to recent playlist. So now what you have to do is go back, and on the bottom right corner you will find a library option. Tap on library. After that, tap on view all. After tapping view all, scroll down. You will find watch later option and tap on it. So if you are facing this problem, then what you have to do is make sure that your YouTube is updated. For that, open up your Play Store and then make sure your YouTube is up to date. So search for YouTube. So here you will have an update option. So simply tap on update. After updating, what you have to do is go back and refresh all of your apps. After refreshing, open up your YouTube again and go to your library. After that, tap on view all and scroll down. Now you can find the watch later option. So this was the voice through which you can find your YouTube playlist watch later not showing option. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching.